Hi and welcome to this video. Today I have a productivity tip for you. If your computer very slow and you don't know what the reason, this tip might solve you the problem and spare you a lot of time and speculation about the reason. First, you need to press on Control Shift Escape. This is going to open the Task Manager, and in the Task Manager, under the Processes tab, you can sort the programs according to their memory consume or usage. Here I did it, and you can see Windows Explorer is using around 2 gigabytes of my RAM memory. If this is not helping, you can also sort them according to their usage of CPU. And here we can see that OBS Studio, because I'm using it to record this video, is using around 4% of my CPU. And Microsoft Edge is around 13%, or it's going up and down. After checking these processes to see which one is slowing the computer, you might kill them or stop them. And to kill these processes, you can just go over the process with the right mouse click and end the task. Or you can just expand it and see which tab is consuming more RAM or memory more than the others, or which website is consuming memory more than others. So we can hover over it and then press on end the task. There is another solution with the browser. You can go to the browser and clear your cache. And to do that, you can just go, for example, to I'm going to bring a browser tab, and here you can press on Control Shift Delete, which is going to delete the browsing data, like browsing history, download history, cookies, cached images, and files. And as you can see, in my case, it's 319 megabytes. It's not too much, but deleting them might speed up your computer. There is another way or another tab in the task manager that might help. You can go to the performance and check the diagrams to see what's going on your system, like the CPU, the memory, the disk, and the internet. The last option from me is OneDrive. Stopping OneDrive or pausing the synchronization might also help. So pressing on OneDrive and going to the setting and then pausing the synchronization or quit OneDrive might also help and speed up your computer. That was it for today. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.